Good morning, everyone. Rachel here with Rachelsuniquecrafts, and today I'm going to make some jalapeno poppers. And my voice is a little weak. I got a sinus infection. I got a whole side of my mouth and the inside's full of ulcers, so just don't feel the best. But I wanted to record this and show y'all because this is a keto-friendly snack, meal, whatever you want to do for it. So I'm going to show you how I do mine. I'm going to turn it down. And I've already got some done so that it wouldn't take as long. So what I do, I washed my jalapenos, and let me get down here on this end so y'all can see me better. And I just cut the top of my jalapeno off. And if you don't know, jalapenos are not hot. It's the seeds that carry the heat. So, when you're doing this, don't touch your nose or your eyes or anything, because you are touching the seeds, and it will, make your eyes and nose burn for sure. Believe me, I know from experience. That's how I know. Okay. So that's how easy it is to get all the seeds out. I just take it, just using a little paring knife. And I just didn't want it to, y'all just sit here and watch an hour of me cleaning out jalapenos and stuffing them. But I did want to share the recipe with you, because these are great. It's a great keto snack. So we're through. I cleaned out, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's about 15. So now that I've got the jalapeno cleaned out, I'll take cream cheese, and so I've got 15 and then half, so it makes about 30. I used, this was a whole bar of cream cheese, and I had already had like maybe a third of another bar of cream cheese already open, so I used it first. So maybe just a little bit over a bar of, or a block of cream cheese. But now I load my jalapenos full of cream cheese because I like cream cheese. And when the bacon juice runs down in there, it's just yummy. So I get my little jalapeno boats full of cream cheese. So I have aluminum foil up under this tray, because if you don't, when the bacon grease runs down in there, it runs in the bottom of your oven, and then you've got smoke-filled house. I forgot to do that the other day. I folded my aluminum foil down, and the grease started, and so I had a mess. You can use a little wire tray rack. I've got one up under here that's a little bigger. The grids are a little smaller together, but that way the grease runs down and your bacon doesn't stay soggy. I ran out of my regular bacon, but what I do is my pack of bacon, I slice it in half, and then on a regular piece of bacon, it's got kind of a little curve to it, so I start at one end and I go with the curve, and usually a half a piece of bacon will wrap a whole half of jalapeno. But I ran out, I used the whole pack, plus I needed some more, and this is turkey bacon. I'm not a real fan, but you use what you got. So I'm just gonna wrap, they're a little shorter, so they're getting 2 pieces because they don't cover the whole thing. I didn't realize they were shorter until I had done cut them. So they're getting 2 pieces of bacon on there. All right, so we've placed all of our jalapenos wrapped. It's filled with cream cheese, wrapped in bacon. Cream cheese and bacon, how can you go wrong, right? Okay, this is just some seasoning salt. You don't have to do this, but it just adds a little bit of more yummy to them. So I'm just sprinkling the seasoning salt on top. I have made them with this, I have made them without it, and they're really good either way. So just personal preference here on this part. Now, that's all the prep that you have to do, is just wash your jalapenos, cut them in half, take all the seeds and veins out of them, fill them with cream cheese, wrap them in bacon. I sprinkle the seasoning salt, and now I'm going to put them into the oven. And I have folded my aluminum foil up this time so that the grease doesn't end up at the bottom of my oven here. So we're going to place them in the oven. Let them slide off here. Okay. So I never time anything, but I'll just watch the time and see how long that I cook these, and I'll be back. Hey y'all, we're back, and it has been let's see, 30, about 49 minutes. So you could have taken them out a little sooner, but I like mine crispy. I like them really done for my bacon. So let me show you. And there they go sliding off. I'm just touching the aluminum foil. I have a really big rack on here. It's bigger than the pan, so it's sliding off a little bit. All right, don't those look yummy? So they were in there about 49 minutes, and the bacon seems a little crusty on the edges, and it looks done in the middle. So this is gonna be really, really hot. So let's see, I usually don't cut them to eat them. I just put them in my hand and go at it, but just taking these out of the oven. Let me see if I can find a small one here. If y'all want to put a toothpick in them, you can. Totally up to you. Okay, I'm going to cut it in slices because they are hot. Just right. So I cooked them at 350 for 49 minutes. So I think that's about the, a good timing, because my bacon is crispy and it's not, you know, burnt, it's not hard. I think it's just right. So I hope y'all enjoy this, and I'll see y'all next time. Remember, I love you all, and get to crafting, make something beautiful, or get in the kitchen and get to cooking. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.